Good morning everyone! We're here at Itaewon. So, nag-export tayo dito sa may Itaewon. Titignan natin yung K-drama na Itaewon Class. Titignan natin yung mga bridge, yung pub na pinag-shootingan ng Itaewon Class na K-drama. Let's go guys! Let's go! Itaewon Street guys! Here! Itaewon Station. Dapat pala nag-train tayo. Ito na yung labas natin, no, pag-train. For K-drama lovers, if you know Itaewon Class, so ito yung pub nila. Ito yun. Are you familiar with this place? Ito daw sila bumuo ng pangarap dito sa rooftop na yan. You're familiar with that. There. And also GS25. Meron din bang K-drama na ganito? GS25. Yun naman yung street nila. Ang lakas mga K-drama na to guys. Ayan o. Chocolate Cafe. Yan Coco. Sasarado pa. Crispy pork town. This is Buddha's Belly. Gina's North Pizza. Ganda naman ng street. Hi. Ayan, puro uphill. Sabi nga, Itaewon is a hilly place. sa Itaewon Class din. Okay, we're checking off the bucket list. So this is the famous bridge. This is the bridge that the Lord has made. Mahirap i-pronounce ng bridge. Pero ito yun. Sa Itaewon Class din. Parang laguslad, ano lang, bridge, ayan o, tunnel. Sila mother at father. There. Okay, next. Next stop. Madaming kaluluwa pa dito. So ito po yung, if you're familiar with the tragedy happened here in Itaewon wherein a lot of people died. So ito po yung alley na yon or street na yon. So if you notice, there's a October 29 Memorial Alley here. Dito madami namatay. Kasi ang liit naman pala ng street. Ayan o. 1029 Memorial Alley. Remains unfinished. Napakaliit naman pala kasi guys ang street, kaya nag-stampede sila dyan. Ito madaming namatay. Condolences to the soul here. Truffle cone, truffle pasta, truffle mushroom pizza. Ganito lang naman siya. Pero pinupuntahan siya. Truffle Bakery, everyone. Truffle Bakery. Because we love truffle. Dito, sa baba. Ito na yung train. Sa ilalim. Ito alam. Or I think ito na. Wala kami sa train. So we tried to ride the train station para ma-experience namin ang train. Wala lang, trip lang. Where? Paano nalaman? Okay. Okay, Noksapyong. Noksapyong. Then, we will transfer daw. Saan na transfer nung lane 4?
Doon yung meron pa tayo mag-lane 4. Pag nakababa na tayo na
Pag naligaw tayo, bili na lang ulit tayong ticket. Ganun lang yun. Ganun natin. May next kasi. Oo. And wala po kami. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Salamat po. Kaya mga nawawala. This is Noksapyong. Ay, hindi siya Itaywood. Huh? Bakit ganon? Okay. So this is the train station. Train station ng Korea, guys. Kaya nga. Hindi tayo nawawala. We're on the right track. Diba? Ang linis lang ng station nila. No? Saka efficient. Train experience in Korea. Train experience in Korea. Very good, very good. We have the map here. And we have people who we ask for direction. So there we go. We're going inside the train station. Can we sit here? Okay. Ang ilang station tayo. Here's the station. Yay! We're going to Myeongdong. Sila kuya, dito din pala sila kuya. Ha? Dito din pala sila kuya, pinagtanungan natin.
Siya na lang, ilapit lang.
Congratulations to the three of us. We're now back in Myeongdong, everyone. So, nag-train station kami, but successful. Nakakapagod, pero nakakatawa kasi excited siya. Okay, so we're back in Myeongdong from Taiwan. We're back. So, here is the famous HBAF store. Here. Ay, nakarangan ni Kuya. Ang pogi ni Kuya. Kata niyo yun? Pogi, oh. Ayun, oh. Nakakulay blue. Ang pogi. Kuya, ano name mo, Kuya? Harap. Ayan, oh. So, HBAF. Ito yung nabibili yung mga almonds na different flavor. Okay? So, let's go, guys. Magpahinga lang ako ng mabilis. Pero tingnan natin kung anong meron sa loob bago pa ako ma-empty. Kasi I only have few percent here in my BGI. So there you go. This is the famous 14-minute packs inside. Fried chicken almond. Soy sauce chicken almond. Creme brulee. Dalgona. Ito yung original nila, honey butter almond. They have wasabi also. Caramel salted almond and pretzel. Tteokbokki almond? Tiramisu! Ito yung nahanap ko. Okay. I'm just gonna look around, guys. See you later.
This is my life.
Takoyaki sensei.
This is my life. Lose control. It's my soul. This is my life. This is my life.
Grabe, napakadaming pagkain dito.
This is my life.
Here we have
Control.
honey
It's my
pancake.
soul.
Oh my
This is
god.
my life.
Look at this one.
This is my life.
Grilled octopus.
This is my life. Lose control. It's my soul. This is my life. This is my life. This is my life.
Laki yun. Gano'n naman yung chicken.
Hello, hi.
Hello! Oh, yun na, churros. Yung mga pangarap ano na, sa katuparan na ha, yung mga pangarap sa katuparan. Oh.
Panaginipan.
Oh, panaginipan, sa katuparan na yan.